Welcome to this video. Today we are going to learn one of the most important and beginner-friendly Linux commands, the cat command. Cat stands for concatenate. It is used to view, create, merge, and copy files directly from the terminal. Let's begin. To display the contents of a file, use the command cat followed by the file name. For example, cat space myfile.txt. This shows everything written inside the file. You can show line numbers using the -n option. Type cat space dash and space myfile.txt. To create a new file, use greater than sign redirection. Type cat space greater than sign space notes.txt. Now type whatever you want and press Ctrl+D to save the file. To add more content in the same file without overwriting, use double greater than sign. Type cat space double greater than sign space notes.txt. Again, type your text and press Ctrl+D. You can combine multiple files together using cat. Type cat space part1.txt space part2.txt space greater than sign space full.txt. Now the file full.txt will contain the content of both files. The -e option shows a $sign at the end of every line. Type cat space -e space myfile.txt. This helps in troubleshooting formatting issues. The -b option numbers only non-blank lines. Type cat space -b space myfile.txt. The -s option squeezes multiple blank lines into a single blank line. Type the cat space -s space myfile.txt. You can also copy a file using cat. Type cat space original.txt space greater than sign space copy.txt. You can display multiple files one after another by typing cat space file1.txt space file2.txt. To summarize, cat can display file content, create files, append content, merge files, copy files, show invisible line endings, and number lines in different ways. It is simple to use but extremely useful for everyday Linux work. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Linux tutorials. Comment below and tell me which command I should cover next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.